Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a Strike Your Own coin, and it happens to be the latest Strike Your Own coin at the Royal Mint Experience. I'm recording this on February the 3rd, and this was the Strike Your Own started around about January 28th of 2024. We have the 50p, Charles III on the back. We have the coin specs there, and the coin I'm talking about is the Tyrannosaurus Rex, and we have the coin there. On the inside of the card, if I can just get it open, on this side we have the specimens, the dinosaur iconic specimens, and this is a Tyrannosaurus, and I will give you a few seconds to pause if you wish to read that part of the description. Then on the top we have, congratulations on striking your own UK coin with a reminder of your visit to the Royal Mint Experience. Now the 50p you would have seen probably 2 or 3 times by now. Let me just get my pointy stick. Across the top we have the name of the dinosaur, Tyrannosaurus. We also have at the bottom here, we have a skeletal shown of him, and then what's that on the bottom? It is a period in which the Tyrannosaurus was active, and that's the Cretaceous period. So if you've seen the films where we've had the Tyrannosaurus ripping up the reception area for Jurassic Park, it's not actually technically the correct time period. Jurassic is an era of which dinosaurs did exist, or large creatures certainly existed, but the Cretaceous period is when the T Rex was around. Now the actual bulk of the coin below the title Tyrannosaurus is a version where the T-Rex is jogging towards you, or he's facing you and it's just stopped or whatever, and it shows his extremely big head and rather large teeth. It would have been a frightening creature had man been around at the time that this was around, but of course they weren't. But it makes for interesting theorising what might have happened between T-Rex and man as we know him, Homo sapiens as we know them. So that is the coin. We've all seen this T-Rex coin, those of us who are collectors, in the past few weeks. It's been, I think it came out just before Christmas, didn't it? As part of that mad rush on or around Christmas period, when we had a shed load of coins all being released around about the same time. This is a lovely coin, and this makes a fantastic Strike Your Own. I can't see, there are rumours that the other 2 dinosaurs in this series could also possibly be Strike Your Owns as well. That remains to be seen. I would love to if they were. And lastly, before I get off the subject of this particular T-Rex and this coin, I'd like to thank my friend Bo Selector. Bo Selector, he is a coin collector in Wales, and he very kindly, when he went to the mint, he struck me one of these, and I just basically covered his costs. This is a wonderful coin. I know that I'm due to get the new 2024 Wales £5 coin off him very shortly, so I look forward to showing you that in the very near future. For those of you who don't know, I am trying to improve my subscriber level again this year. Last year I had a target of 250, which I surpassed. Of the, to get to 250 subscribers, which I surpassed by 10 or 15 subscribers. This year I've set myself a target of a minimum of 425 subscribers. That means to say I'll be looking at 175 subscribers this year as compared to 150 last year. So there's a slight increase in what I'm hoping to do, and I need your help to do it. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, or even if this is your first viewing, could you please think about subscribing? If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you would like to see more of my stuff, there's plenty more in the library of videos on my particular area of YouTube. Also, if you do like it and you decide to subscribe, I'll be grateful and look forward to seeing you over an enhanced period of time. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much for watching, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.